ISO/IEC 27001, Risk Management and Controls. Navigating the complexities of information security requires a strategic approach, and that's where
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
That's where ISO/IEC 27001 comes into play. This international ISO standard sets the benchmark for managing risks and implementing controls to protect sensitive data. In this blog, we will explore the critical requirements of ISO/IEC 27001, focusing on the pivotal aspects of risk management and controls that help organizations secure their information assets.
What is ISO/IEC 27001? The ISO/IEC 27001 standard outlines a systematic methodology for mitigating information security threats. It provides a structured framework for designing, implementing, supervising, and refining an information security management system (ISMS), thereby ensuring a thorough and organized approach to information security risk management. Organizations that follow this standard may secure their sensitive information assets, develop confidence with stakeholders, and maintain business continuity by using a risk-based security strategy. Key requirements of ISO/IEC 27001. Context of the organization. Organizations need to comprehend the difficulties that affect them from the inside out, as well as the requirements and expectations of interested parties. This requirement ensures that the ISMS is aligned with the organization's objectives and the risks it faces. Leadership and commitment. Through creating the ISMS policy, supervision, the incorporation of ISMS standards into organizational procedures, and the provision of requisite resources, top management must exhibit leadership and dedication. Leadership must also promote continual improvement and support other relevant management roles. Planning. Planning includes identifying and mitigating risks and opportunities that may affect the ISMS. This includes risk assessment. Identify information security risks, analyze them, and evaluate the potential impacts. Risk treatment. Select appropriate controls to mitigate the identified risks. Organizations must conduct a risk treatment plan and implement it. Support. Organizations are required to provide adequate resources for the improvement of ISMS. This includes ensuring personnel have the necessary competence and training, maintaining appropriate documentation, and promoting awareness of the ISMS throughout the organization. Operation. Operational planning and control involve implementing risk treatment plans, managing outsourced processes, and ensuring operations align with the ISMS policies. This step is crucial for putting the planned controls into action and maintaining their effectiveness. Performance evaluation. Internal audits. Regularly conduct internal audits to ensure the ISMS conforms to ISO/IEC 27001 requirements and the organization's established criteria. Management review. Top management should assess the ISMS at regular intervals to guarantee its ongoing adequacy and effectiveness. Improvement. Organizations must make continuous efforts to improve their ISMS. This involves implementing corrective actions to resolve non-conformities and leveraging audit outcomes, analyses, and evaluations to promote continuous improvement. Focus on risk management and controls. Risk management process. The process involves risk identification, identifying assets, threats, vulnerabilities, and impacts. Risk analysis, determining the potential consequences and likelihood of identified risks. Risk evaluation, evaluating risks by comparing analytical findings to criteria and determining their importance. Risk treatment, implementing appropriate measures to modify risks, including avoidance, mitigation, sharing, or acceptance.
you found this video informative and useful. We'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.